444, I'll show you the part from been working for Basingstoke. This was the air show special. This is a bit unusual, isn't it? Never seen this one before, isn't it?
It's only for Farnborough.
Only Farnborough and Basingstoke only, isn't it? Well, I don't go visit the air shows anymore.
They've taken so much out, haven't they?
What?
They've taken all the planes out.
Really? So they're not doing air shows anymore now?
I live in Farnborough, so I can watch the go.
There you go.
You know the
Yeah.
444
Yeah.
01.
Really? So that's a bit bonus.
When it goes into Farnham depot to be cleaned,
Yeah.
the doors lock out on it. You can't get off.
Really?
Only in Farnham.
Oh.
Very weird. Very weird when you actually terminate.
Yeah. My train's not until 10:16, so I've got a bit of time to spare. But that's really good for me. So an air show special service. I call it South West Air Show service. Special service.
Where are we heading to?